Hey guys, today I got a cab height fiberglass ATC. It's the LED series. Fits the 21 to current Ford F-150 with the 5.5 foot bed. White in color, Z1 white or YZ white. This one has no windows in it, but it's new, fairly new, in really good shape. So it doesn't have a lot of problems with it, but we'll have a couple here and we'll go over them. Back edge looks good, the top looks nice. Top edge looks good. All the way through here, the top looks good. The side down through here looks good. Bottom edge is good because we just took it off the guy's truck. He traded it in on something else, so it's never been set on the ground. So the edge is not chewed up from setting it on the ground. ATC. And so the only thing it really has is a small chip in the paint right there on this side. That's it. Front has no window in it. Looks good through here, and then you got a little bit of wear mark. Looks like where it hit the third brake light right in there, and that's it on the front. Top looks good. You got a little small chip right there. Bottom edge on this side looks really nice. All the way through here. Looks like a small chip right there. But same thing, no window in the front. This side looks really good. Top and the top edge on this one, no damage that I can see. The back edge looks good. All the way down through here. Bottom's nice, like I said, because we took it right off the guy's truck and put it on rails and never just set it on the ground. So really no damage on the bottom at all from it. Never, like, not getting chewed up, which is how that happens from setting these on the ground. No windows on this side as well. And the only problem we've got with this one is a couple small stone chips right there. So you can kind of see them, but they're fairly small. No windows on the side. The back door has a aluminum panel in it, so it is also essentially no window. Third brake light. So the panel is painted the same color. And this is a double T handle, locking rear door. As you can see, the double T handles. There's the 21 Ford F-150. It's the LED series. YZ, Oxford White is the color on that. The serial number is right there. Inside, it's in really good shape. Like, as far as I was told, this thing's only maybe a couple months old. Maybe less than a year is what I was told. There's a serial number tag inside as well. This is just the build tag. This just tells that it's built. There it is, cab height ATC series, ATC top LED series. It's a 21 to current Ford F-150 with a 5.5 foot bed. YZ white in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That could all be done through that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, things like that, lift kits, that can all be purchased online as well. You can also subscribe below, so if you're looking for something specific, you can kind of keep up to date on what's coming in, because we upload a video to them right away as soon as we get them in here. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.